Nova was a 24-year-old woman living in a small apartment in a busy city. She worked in a clothing shop, helped customers, folded shirts, and cleaned the counters. Every day looked the same to her, but inside her heart, something felt heavy. She depended on people too much, their opinions, their approval, their attention. And because of that, she often felt lost. Whenever she had to make a decision, she asked everyone for advice. Should I take this class? Do you think this dress looks good on me? Is this job good enough? She asked her friends, her coworkers, her cousins, even neighbors, and each person gave a different answer. So Nova felt even more confused. Her friends liked her, but they were busy with their own lives. Sometimes she asked them to come with her to the doctor, to the market, or even just for a walk. Many times they said yes but didn't show up. Nova waited and waited and waited. Standing alone on the street, she felt foolish. Maybe I shouldn't do anything alone, she whispered. But that belief was the thing holding her back. One Sunday, her family had dinner together. Her mother cooked rice, curry, and warm chapatis. Her father sat in the corner reading the newspaper. Her younger brother played games on his phone. Everyone was busy in their own world. Nova suddenly felt lonely in a room full of people. She wanted someone to understand her heart. She wanted someone to guide her. "Why does nobody help me?" she finally asked. Her father looked up. "You want too much support, Nova," he said gently. "Life doesn't work like that." Her mother nodded. "People love you, but they can't walk your path for you," she said softly. Nova felt hurt, but she didn't say anything. Later that night, she lay in bed thinking about their words. She remembered how many times she canceled plans because nobody could join her. How many dreams she avoided because she was scared to start alone. How many chances she wasted because she waited for someone to push her. A deep truth hit her heart. She wasn't moving because she was never walking alone. When Nova was 8 years old, she wanted to learn to ride a bicycle. But she always asked her father to hold the back seat. "Don't leave me," she always shouted. Her father held it for a few days. Then one day, without telling her, he let go. She rode on her own for 10 seconds before she fell. She cried, but her father smiled. "You rode by yourself," he said. "Only when you fall alone, you learn to balance." Nova had forgotten that lesson. The next morning, everything went wrong. Her coworker didn't come to work. Her manager scolded her. A customer shouted at her. Her umbrella broke in the rain. Her phone battery died. On the bus home, Nova felt like she was drowning in her own thoughts. "All I want is someone to help me. Just a little." But deep down, she knew that waiting for someone else was not solving anything. At home, she found a letter her mother had left for her. It said, "My daughter, you are stronger than you think. Walk alone for a while. Your path will become clear." The words hit her heart like soft rain, warm, gentle, honest. She read the note 3 times. For the first time in months, she felt a spark of courage. The next day, she decided to take a small step. A very small one. She went for a walk alone. No friend, no family, no phone in her hand. At first it felt strange. The street looked louder. People seemed bigger. Even her own footsteps sounded different. But she kept walking. She bought a cup of tea and sat in the park. She watched children playing, birds flying, and couples laughing. Nobody noticed she was alone. Nobody cared. And that made her smile. For many weeks, Nova had dreamed of learning graphic design, but she was scared to join a class alone. She always waited for her friend Elena to join with her, but Elena kept postponing. That evening, Nova opened the website. Her hand was shaking. She typed her name, entered her email, paid the fee. She enrolled alone. Her heart beat fast, not from fear, but from pride. Walking into the class felt like entering a new world. Everyone was a stranger. Nobody looked at her. Nobody asked why she was alone. They were all busy with their own goals. The teacher smiled at her. "You're here to learn," he said. "Nothing else matters." For the first time, Nova felt something she had never felt before. She felt independent. Over the next few weeks, Nova's life slowly changed. She went to classes alone. She visited the market alone. She took the bus alone. She even tried a new restaurant alone. Every small action made her stronger. Her mind became clearer. Her confidence grew. One day she looked in the mirror and didn't see the same scared girl. She saw a woman who could stand on her own feet. Interestingly, when she stopped depending on people, her friends suddenly became more curious about her life. "Nova, you look different. You look happier. You seem confident." She smiled. She did not need their approval anymore. She did not need to explain her choices. She did not need someone to walk with her. If people came, it was good. If they didn't, she kept walking. One weekend, Nova visited her parents. She helped her mother cook. She fixed her father's old radio. She even helped her brother with homework. Her mother watched her quietly. "You have changed," she said, in a beautiful way. Nova hugged her. "Ma, I finally learned something important," she whispered. "Walking alone is not scary. It is peaceful." Her mother smiled proudly. Nova's design class soon ended. She created a portfolio. She applied for jobs. Some companies rejected her, but she didn't stop. A month later, she received an offer from a small design studio. It wasn't a big company, but it was perfect for her. She got the job because of her own effort, not because someone held her hand. Her journey, her struggle, her success, all belonged to her. One evening, she walked home from work, alone as usual. But this time, she felt something different. She felt proud, calm, free. She looked at the sky and whispered, "Walking alone taught me who I really am." If you liked this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.